What is up, guys? It's Geeked Out Fishing. We got Geeked Out Jay over there. We got a pretty good video coming up for you guys. We're going to be exploring some hidden ponds, trying to find some giant largemouth bass. Honestly, I'm not going to say too much. We're just going to get right into it.
And I want to say, hey, give it 2 thumbs up for the video.
One day I just wait a night.
Take.
Got on a 6-inch tracer and then a Z-Man Molotron. Shout out Jay Fishing. Gonna try it out, see how it works. But yeah, we'll see y'all at the ponds and we'll get to our adventure. Let's get it. This is the pond on the way to the other ones. I'm just gonna stop here to try to use my the Z-Man Molotron. Just try to get a feel for it before we get to the regular ponds. I'm in a little pocket right here. I'm gonna see if I can find any bass. It's kind of a really shitty cast, I'm not gonna lie, but we're gonna go with it. Alright guys, I'm making my last few casts here before we start heading down to the ponds that are in the wilderness. Seeing if I can get anything to hit this. It looks great while it's swimming. Good trial run, that's for sure. Alright guys, we're gonna get moving here in a second. Let's get it. We're about to start our journey back to the nether region. Got anything to say?
Yes. That's all I gotta say. This is gonna suck. But actually, it shouldn't be too bad.
I don't think Buddy got enough rest.
It's a little clear on the right.
He's a little grumpy today.
No, I'm good.
Watch out for snakes. Alright, holy shit. We got a nice trail here. Dude, nah. For real, bro. Wow. This is looking crazy. This shit looks fire. No, deadass, dude. Halfway there, if I'm not mistaken. Looking not even that bad. Oh, watch out right there. Making our way through here. This is beautiful. Let's go. Keep it pushing. It's kind of like a forgotten about area back here, but we're gonna get to it and think about it. Catch some big old bass, hopefully. Big ass spider webs. I'll make a cast right here. Fuck it. Alright guys, we're making our way through this shit. This shit is like hip high, dude. We're making our way to the other side. This is the scenery. Nice woods on this nice trail. This is the pond right here. A nice view over. Might just fucking walk through this shit. Alright guys, we're making our way back towards the mainland. In the middle of freaking nowhere. Sucks. But we're gonna be back soon. We'll get at you guys when we get back. Alright guys, starting our journey through the wooded area. Got a little mud flat. It stinks like shit. And we're on the move. Hopefully this one gives us more luck. We'll see y'all guys when we get deeper in the wilderness. We're on some rough terrain here. Trying to make it through. Trying to survive. Get to these fish. Big old bass. Ooh, that shit's slippery as fuck. Yeah. Oh! Dude, jump at the end. Jump at the end right there. Alright, guys. We're moving through the pond. Oh, yeah, you're right. Watch out for like the wood shit. Alright, guys, we gotta step lightly because there are nails through here. Guess we just gotta follow this fence line. Alright, guys. Made it through all the hardships. Now it's on the easy bricks. Oh my gosh. Boom. Beautiful pond. I got the Molotron on right now. See if we can do any work. There we go, dude. Oh my gosh. Decent fish too, bro.
That fucking swim bait. Nice fish.
Oh, let's get back in the water. See, that was crazy. Yeah, that's a fish. Dude, that's a tank, bro. That's a tank, bro. That's a tank, bro. That's a tank, bro. That's a tank. That's a tank. Jay, that's a tank. He's heavy as fuck. There's a nice fish here. Wow, I knew there would be one right off that edge, bro. Got it. Yeah, boy.
It's a good fish.
See how much he weighs. I'm gonna get him in the water real quick. $2.2. Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm so sorry, pal. 2.2. Alright, guys. Solid fish. He slammed that. Nice chunk, guys. Off the Molotron. Dude, that was crazy, Jay, no lie. Like, bro, when I tell you you hit that shit as soon as it hit the water, bro, like, that was crazy. I thought I was snagged.
Number
I got
two,
that boy
here
Jay got
goes.
number 2.
Another dink. Dink's
get it.
there. Oh. Little buddy, but
There we go.
nice little release. There you go.
Shit. There's one. Another nice one, bro. Off the Molotron. Smashed it. Let's go, guys. It's another like 1-2, bro. Off the Molotron. Decent little chunk. Decent little 1-pounder. I'll take him though. It's a fun fish. These guys are aggressive in here. They're smashing it. Not even that big of a mouth. He just devoured that thing, dude. Let's go, guys. Get the chunk. Let's get him back in the water. What up, guys? We're at a new pond, new place. Got a fresh little dinklet.
Nice little dink.
Nice little bass. Tiny little mouth.
Little baby mouse. Let's get out there and go. Be a 10,000.
Let's get.
Damn, man, too.
Dude, the top end is like dead ass black, bro. It's like a melanistic bass, dude.
It's crazy, bro.
Hell yeah, bro.
It's a nice fish.
There we go. Toss him back in.
Sorry, bro.
Taking your spot, pussy. Oh, there we go. There's one. There's one, guys. There we go, guys. Another dark one. Yeah, nice bass. There we go. Oh, you got it. You got it. There we go. That was sick. He smashed that on top of the water, guys. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's a decent one. Not too bad. Small little fish. Just getting back in the water. Bring it back over here. Oh shit. Yeah. Smashed it. There's another one, guys. Oh no. Oh, there we go. Nice little dink, guys. He smoked it. Little fat turd, though. There we go. There we go. Nice fish, though, y'all. I'm gonna get him back in the water. Get him back in the water. 3, 2, 1. Face dive. Come on. Good enough for me. Good enough for me. Oh, that's a decent one, bro. That's the biggest one in here. Bad boy.
Nice bass.
A little skinny, but he's getting there. He's getting there for sure. This is what I'm talking about, though. This is like a pond that's not fished much. So, like, see what we do when we get somewhere where, like, we can actually have a chance, bro. Another one. Jay got another one. That's another decent one. Another nice one. Let's go.
About the same size.
This pond's carrying right now. Let's go ahead. Oh, that boy was darting, boy. Taking your spot though, pussy. I need me a little dink here. It's kind of fun catching the dinks off the freaking spinner rods. I'm not gonna lie, guys. It's obviously it's great catching a fatty off of the spin rods, but like catching dinks, it's pretty fun.
It's still fun.
I'm telling you, when I caught that like 3 or 4 pounder at the Tanglewood pond. Oh, there's one. Oh, that feels like a decent one. Oh, dude, for sure. Oh. Oh, he's stuck. Oh, he's stuck. I might have to get in. Here, hold my rod.
Yeah, I got you.
How deep you think this shit is?
Not. It's hard.
All right, guys, we got to go on a rescue mission. At the end of the day, you put these bass in these predicaments, you got to save them like this. You can't let them fucking...
That was a good fucking... Dude, that was a good eat.
Yeah, he smashed it. That's what I'm telling you.
Good thinking for going for it.
Might be able to pull this shit a little bit.
Oh my God.
Oh, my slide.
I got it. This is the best one, bro. This is the best one of the day.
All right, guys. Oh, he choked it? No, he didn't.
No, do it. No.
Oh yeah, he didn't choke it. Perfect.
You did it?
Nope.
Alright, good.
Here we go, guys. This is a solid pounder. Nothing too crazy here, but decent little fish for sure, guys. He got a little stuck, but it's your duty as a fisherman to save the fish and progress his life to become a giant. With that being said, I do got to toss him back because I don't want to put this big of a one in this little grass. He might not be able to get through because he's so fat, you know. Let's get him in there. Oh shit, dude! I'm sorry, dude. I did not mean to do that, dude. Fuck. Oh my gosh, guys. He smashed it on when I was reeling it in. Holy smoke. Oh my gosh, buddy's spinning. Come here, dude. This little dinker. I'm getting sick of these dinks, so toss him back. Ooh, he's. But alright, guys, I think that's today's video. It's been a rough past 2 weeks-ish, I would say. Haven't been catching much because of the weather, just water pressure. It's either freaking 100 degrees or it's pouring down rain and humid. It's been struggling to get these bass and get a hold of them. But yeah, guys, that's this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. We're gonna be exploring more nature down south here soon for an awesome snook video. So y'all tune in next week to catch that video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and let us know what y'all think. Doses.